Hey guys, Rhett here down in Birmingham. What's going on? Have a really cool house here for you today. One of my clients, Caleb, has this under contract. Want to take you through it. This is a 2-bedroom that we're going to turn into a 3-bedroom conversion. Come on in and we'll check it out. So guys, right off the bat, we have this house under contract for $55,900. It needs $34,000 in rehab, okay? So as we're in it right now, the first thing you look at it, you say, wow, it looks really good, but it isn't very good. The flooring in this house is a disaster throughout the entire thing. It's extremely cheap and it's buckling in almost every area. It's just really, really cheap vinyl sheet flooring, okay? So what we're gonna do in here, we're gonna come in here, we're gonna rip all this garbage up, bring it down to the subfloor, put in brand new carpets throughout this entire house, okay? It's a decent sized living room. It's not too big, it's not too small. The fireplace is already capped, which is what we like to see. We're gonna paint this entire home, literally from the trim all the way up to the ceiling. We're gonna repaint the ceilings as well. There is some water damage, not in here that you can tell, but the roof is really nice. It's a metal roof, so we don't have to worry about that. It looks fairly new. Brand new HVAC system, brand new water heater, so some of those expenses have already been taken care of. Throughout the house, we have disgusting appliances. We're gonna rip these out, and we have to put new appliances in here, new fixtures in here as well. One thing, guys, with Section 8 is you have to make sure that the windows actually are egresses. Now, when it comes to the windows, these bars need to come off, okay? We have to make sure that, obviously, if these bars are up, nobody can get in, great, but nobody can get out. That's an issue, okay? So, we're gonna remove all the bars. We have newer bars on that window that are easier to use. If you are in here to escape, if you have to, these not so much, okay? There is no safety valve escape on these old bars. We're gonna have to take these off as well. Plus, it kind of, you know, it's not the best appearance for a house to have bars on the windows, especially in this area. We don't really need them. This is actually a really nice area. So guys, as we're walking through here, okay, we come into a little hallway area. We have a bathroom on our left. We have bedroom number 1 on our right. So in bedroom number 1, one thing I need to add too is this house needs all new doors throughout the entire home. The doors are beat to crap. The hinges are broken. A lot of the hardware on the doors is missing. They're really, really beat up, okay? So we're gonna fix all the doors, change everything out. In here, kind of same thing, guys. What we're gonna do, new light fixtures, all new paint throughout, all new doors. It needs new outlets. All the outlets have been painted inside. You know, you look over here, people have just covered these things over with paint. That's an issue. So we need new outlets. We'll have to check to make sure that the 3 prongs are grounded, the 2 prongs are not destroyed. All new carpeting in here as well. Now, we have an adjoining bedroom to bedroom number 1. So this is bedroom number 2. New fixture. We need a closet door in here as well. There's no closet door. The framing of this is pretty hacked up. There are new vents, which is nice. There's a brand new HVAC system, so that's kind of a nice little compliment that we don't have to put in here. But again, this is a busted outlet right here. It's broken in the corner. New outlet. We need a new face cover, new plate. We got to remove the bars from these windows. These doors, guys, are just beat. They're completely beat. They don't open all the way. They don't work correctly, and they're the wrong doors for what we're trying to do. As a matter of fact, this door locks from the living room. From a bonus room, it locks the wrong way. So this is your bedroom, and you want to lock your door, the lock's on the wrong side. It's a piece of, you know what, we're just gonna rip it out and put a new door in, okay? Now guys, coming into here, we have a bonus room. So we entered in the living room, this is a bonus room. What we've decided to do with this bonus room is turn this into a bedroom. We have an adjoining bathroom right here, which is nice, a walk-in. Whoever put that door in, put it in upside down. So that's why, if you guys noticed, The door handle is as high as it is. How awkward is that? It should be here. The door's been flipped. This fan is absolutely disgusting. We're gonna rip that out. This outlet has paint and caulk on one side of it. It's not, you're looking at it, we gotta take all the outlets out of this house, redo all that. Self-explanatory. New door, okay? Guys, we gotta touch everything in this house, absolutely everything. And then we have this wall. This wall is an issue for us too, because there is some severe bubbling behind the wall. The paneling's bad, okay? Someone's painted over this over and over and over again. What we're gonna do is we're gonna rip this out and re-sheetrock this entire wall, okay? It's gonna make it a lot nicer, a lot better, and we're not just gonna be putting Band-Aids over Band-Aids over Band-Aids. We're gonna just rip it all out and do it the right way. So guys, we have our bathroom here. We'll do the bathroom. The bathroom is disgusting, but it does have a brand new toilet. What used to be your laundry hookups behind you, those have since been moved to the kitchen, and a disgusting tub that we're gonna have to reglaze and caulk that as well. We would put a new tub in here, but getting a tub into this room would be pretty hard. So what we're gonna do is we're just gonna reglaze that whole thing and make it look new and try to keep it where it is. So lastly, guys, coming full circle as we're about to enter the living room again, we have a brand new water heater, which is really, really nice. We're gonna put, if we can salvage this floor, we will, but otherwise we'll put a new floor in here if we can. Countertops are good. Sink is fairly new. And you know, the kitchen doesn't need too much work. Of course, we're gonna paint the whole thing, and whoever did the ceilings didn't know what they were doing because they're not even finished. I mean, they look terrible. So we're gonna paint everything in here as well. But that's about it, guys. We're looking at $34,000 to do this the right way and make this place ready for Section 8, take care of everything we need to. There's some siding issues on the side of the house as well that we need to address. We have to re-side a portion of that house, of this side over by the HVAC system. So otherwise, guys, I love it. And you talk about value. We're buying something for $55,000 and we're gonna put a good chunk of change into it. But right off the bat, we're changing it from a 2 to a 3 bedroom. So immediately we're increasing value there. We'll put a tenant in here without question, somewhere between $1,200 and $1,300. And it's nice, it's a quaint home, it's a nice layout. I'm really excited for Caleb. This is gonna be his second property this month. So fired up for him. But guys, please leave your questions, comments below. I'll get to all of them and we'll see you next time.